Hi, Joe. Did you sleep really well? Did you have the best night's sleep ever? You sure look like you did. Are you a happy boy this morning? Oh, look at those cute little legs. Yeah. Are you a happy boy? Are you my happy boy? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I wish I slept that well. Oh, oh, hi. Hi.
Tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. Once I realized that, there was no going back. And then squeeze in a bunch of lime juice. And then just a sprinkling of salt.
Hi. Oh. You're the happiest baby in the world. Yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are.
A couple of jalapenos. Really spicy. And membranes inside.
Oh.
Heard from the guys lately.
Oh, a little spit up. A little spit up. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you get those little legs moving. Yeah. Oh. Happy baby. Happy baby Joe.
Pico de gallo and guacamole. I treated them as two separate dishes. Mash up avocado, chop up onions and tomatoes. Never mind the fact that I had a batch of pico de gallo sitting right next to me. Well, one day I was mashing some avocado to make guacamole,
Okay.
and I looked over at my bowl of pico de
Say
gallo.
bye. Bye.